Hello, everybody. April 1st today, April Fools. Make sure you play a joke on somebody. Not too crazy of a joke, but make sure you play a joke on somebody. Hey, so for the next couple days, uh, I'm gonna put the instructions for today on, but they're for today and tomorrow. Okay, so it's going to include reading an article and also doing your 5 paragraph essay for the week. Along with that, I want you to make sure if you didn't do the week's journal and goals, you go back and do the journal and goals. Also make sure that you do the Moby Max reading assessment and make sure that you do today's assignment, which will also move in tomorrow, which is your 5 paragraph essay. Okay, um, so combining 2 days into one, hopefully that will give you some extra time for your other classes also. So. Um, Okay, just a couple things to get going. Um, the article that we're going to read is about Mount Everest, and it's right here. It's called Mountain of Doom. Okay, it's a great article, and it's what you're going to write your 5 paragraph essay on. Okay, but the first thing that we need to do, guys, is we need to make sure that we can all get into it. If you click on this, it should take you right to it. However, if it doesn't, okay, the way for you to log into Action Magazine is you're going to click on this link right here. Okay, you're going to go to log in. Okay, and make sure you put I am a student. Okay, and these instructions are also at the top of the Canvas page that we're in currently. Everybody's password is cow happy 6. Okay, cow happy 6. Sign in, and you should be right there. Okay, that's in case. That's just in case this won't work. It's working for me, but it might be because I'm logged in. I'm not sure. Okay, but either way, you'll be able to get to this. Okay, if you click on this and it takes you to a login page, just log in the same way as what you do right here. Cal Happy 6 is a student, and it should work. Okay, hopefully that will work for everybody. I'm gonna stop this video, and I'm gonna add that to this page so that everybody's clear on how to log in. You'll be able to watch that quick video. Awesome. Good job, guys.